Hi ladies and gentlemen, so today I'm going to talk to you about how you're going to take your piece of paper and very neatly draw your Ziglyooblia. To do this, you need to use your whole space, you're going to need a pencil, and you're going to need to have your sketches of your Ziglyooblas from when we did our 10 this week. So you're just going to start copying what you did as your favorite. If you want to mix some of your other ideas in with this favorite, you're more than welcome to do so. Just know that this Ziglyooblia that you're making, this is gonna be the big one. This is the one that you're turning in. So as you can see, as I'm making my marks, I'm going very neatly around, drawing my lines, taking my time. I'm not rushing, because a rushed work is not going to be a neat work. And I'm looking at my example as I'm doing it. Again, whichever curved, straight, diagonal, or zigzag line that I choose to make, it needs to be a neat one. It's okay if your lines are a little bit wavy and wonky. If you want to use a ruler, you can use a ruler. You're not required to use a ruler for this project. I like the spiral shapes. You may too. I also like dashed lines that curve with my shapes. I love circles. I think circles have a beautiful, innocent essence to them. And I don't want to leave any of my space empty. So if I can think of cool little designs to add in to make my space not empty, I'm going to add those little designs in. And these little designs could be more circles, they could be zigzags, they could be more triangles, rectangles, shapes that don't even have names yet. It's up to me. They could be wavy lines. I do love some wavy lines also. I can make a pattern if I wanted to make a pattern in there. The big thing about this is it's kind of like a doodle. Have fun putting down your marks, and as you're having fun putting down those little marks, you're going to see that you've got something pretty special that you created. I love the mountains, so this right here, I'm making a little mountain range, almost like an iceberg. Maybe some sunshine that's radiating out onto my mountain range. Even though I don't have to have symbolism in my art, I can throw a little bit of hidden symbolism in my art if I wanted to. I'm going to add some wavy lines, maybe to symbolize the ocean, because I do love the ocean. Maybe some funky shapes, some sharp lines, lines that kind of repeat the same motion as other lines. Maybe L-shaped, curved lines, swooping lines. Diagonals are always a good choice. They create movement. I could do some scallops, kind of like what would be on flower petals if I wanted to. Repeat those scallops and keep going. And when I feel like my work of art is finally done, then I will have completed my assignment number 3 for this week. I hope that if you have any questions, you be sure to ask in class or send Miss Carr a message.